everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be unboxing the lucky bag that I got from Beautylish. I got the extra large. It retails for $150, and we're just gonna go ahead and open it up. I got one last year. It was actually pretty good. They say that you get over $300 worth of savings or value. So here is the lucky bag, and here it says packaged with love in California by Janet. Ooh, Janet. Thank you, Janet. Okay, so here we go. Here it says, for 2026 we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on your way. Hashtag lucky bag 2026 Beautylish. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Love the wrapping. It's so pretty. Here we go. So here it is, packaged. So I'm going to go with the first thing. That's really good. All right, first thing here is Vintner's Daughters Active Renewal Cleanser, Brightening and Balancing Face Wash. Okay. I'm going to be honest with you guys, as I always am, and I use Mary Kay, and if you look at my channel, it's all about Mary Kay. I don't use other cleansers or moisturizers, creams, or any of that stuff. I am loyal to Mary Kay. I know you guys probably think I'm crazy, but it is what it is. The microphone was in the shop. That's okay. So we're gonna keep on going. So this is that one. Put it here. The next thing we have is Energizing Eye Kit. Okay, a 2-piece kit to reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines from Good Molecules. I have not heard of this brand. Maybe if you guys have, comment in the below. All right, here is a Hair Alchemy Heatless Styling Balm. Okay, again, from Orbi. Never heard of this brand either. So I'll put that to the side. Next thing, ooh, okay, this is better. Natasha Denona Essentials Eyeshadow Duo. And this has a 24th shelf life. I'm excited about this. I don't have any of her blushes actually. Oh no, it's eyeshadow. I thought it was a blush. Look at the packaging. Look how cute that is. Oh yeah, you know how to swatch that. Look how it just, oh my, okay, let me do it this way. Oh my goodness, that is sheer. All right, so put that there. It's like a mauve color. I like it. I think it's great. Okay, so that is Natasha Denona. Very excited about this eyeshadow duo. Next thing is the Nessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder Flushed. Bellini is the color. All right. Very cool. I've never tried any of the Nessa Myricks, so I'm excited. I'll do a future video using this. Jeez. All right. Okay. Gosh, that was crazy to try and do. Why is that? Okay, that's just powder. All right, so this is how the packaging looks like. And it's like just dust from the packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It says here with what? Up slide light technology. This actually looks like a Charlotte Tilbury, those like new sticks that came out, the blush sticks. That's how bright it looks, but on the camera it doesn't show that well. There you go. That's probably a better, I mean, this is how it looks like, okay, on my skin. For some reason the camera is not capturing it. So anyways, it's very creamy, balmy. So that's that one. Put that back. Next thing is, ooh, my daughter can use this. These are little all day hold clips from Cloud Clips or Kish. Ooh, Mob Beauty. All right, so I recently got 2 palettes from Mob Beauty. I was seriously impressed with them. So let me look at this. This is a matte lipstick. So this is how the packaging is for that. And this is the color. So I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh, that is beautiful. So this is the color, you can see. Let me just do it this way so you can see it. Very, very pretty. And that is Mob Beauty's M93 matte lipstick. Very cool. All right, so I feel like we started off not as strong. And then here is a walnut builder in medium eye brush. Not sure what brand this is. You guys know, comment below. But it's like a flat shading brush. Very pretty. Love the handle. Made in Japan. Builder M. Oh, Sonia G. Perfect. I've heard her brushes are really good. So last year I did have a blending brush from the Lucky Bag XL. So that's that. Very cool. And last but not least, Violet Nocturne on Tendu. Oh my gosh. You know, I've been... If you saw my unboxing of Viseart, I don't know if it's posted up or not, but I was so regretting that I did not get this palette. And look, I have it. I'm so excited. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I have this so many times over, like, but that's so pretty. And then let's look at this shimmer. Oh, look at that. I have this color so many times over in my collection. This is a little bit more champagne-y. So pretty. These colors, look at that. It's like a purple color. And look at this brown. Oh, and I look at this one. Oh, look at those swatches. Oh, so pretty. And then look at this beige. I know a lot of people don't like beige, but it's like all mauve-y colors. Oh, so pretty. Look at this light pink too. Look at that. Can you see that? Like, that's so pretty. And then this pink one, I'm gonna use my pinky. Like this one. Oh, so pretty. Yeah, you could probably use that with a cheek too, like a cheek blush. I mean, it's kind of hard. Okay, there we go. You can see the true colors of this one. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I got this one. So exciting. So pretty. All right, so the stuff that I'm excited about this is the Sonia G shader brush, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow, the Mob Beauty lipstick, the Nessa Myricks Yummy Flushed in Bellini, and that is about it. If you guys have tried these other things, let me know. All right, so this is everything I got from my Lucky Bag XL. I'm excited about these products right here. Semi excited about this one. These products I will not use. Doesn't make any sense to me. I'm a loyal Mary Kay girl. This one I may gift. Well, obviously I'm going to gift these to other people. However, I have to say, for the things that you don't like, you can gift them for special occasions to somebody that's a beauty lover or that may be able to use it, which is great. Saves you a little bit of spending additional dollars. So always try to re-gift things when you can, as long as they're not touched and they're brand new in the packaging, hasn't been opened or anything like that. So so here are the swatches from some of the products that I got. So exciting. Thank you for Beautylish sending this. It was not sent by their accord. I went ahead and purchased that with my own money. But anyways, I digress. If you like what you see here, please make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you at the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.